We continue now at the top of Daf Kuf Gimel Amud Aleph in Meseches Pesachim. This is Pesachim Daf 103a. The Gemara is continuing to discuss what happens when Yontif falls out right after Shabbos. What's the order in terms of Havdalah and Kiddush? V'Rabba Amar Yahanak. Rabba says the order is Yahanak. In other words, you do Yayin, make the bracha on the wine, then you do Havdalah, then you do Ner, then you do Kiddush. V'Levi Amar Kiniyah. Levi says the order is Kiddush, Ner, Yayin, Havdalah. Again, all these cases are talking about a situation where there is no Shechayanu, let's say like the 7th day of Pesach. V'Rabbanan Amri Kino, the Rabbanan say Kiddush, Yayin, then Ner, then Havdalah. Marbrei D'Ravna Amar Nikiyah. So Marbrei D'Ravna says it's Ner, Kiddush, Yayin, then Havdalah. Morsa Amar Mishmei Rabbi Yoshua Nihak. Morsa says in the name of Rabbi Yoshua that the order is Ner, Yayin, Havdalah, and Kiddush. Shalach le'avua de Shmuel leRebbi. So the father of Shmuel sent a message to Rebbe. Yilamdeinu Rabbeinu Seder Havdalah's Heich. Teach us our Rebbe, what is the order of Havdalah? Shalach le, he sent him, Kach Omer Rabbi Yishmael bar Rabbi Yossi. So said Rabbi Yishmael, the son of Rabbi Yossi, Sha'omer Mishum Aviv, who said in the name of his father, Sha'omer Mishum Rabbi Yoshua ben Chananya, who said in the name of Rabbi Yoshua ben Chananya, Nihik, that the order is Ner, Havdalah, Yayin, Kiddush. Amar Reb Chanina says, Mashal to Rabbi Yoshua ben Chananya, what is a mashal for the opinion, for the position of Rabbi Yoshua ben Chananya, that you're doing Havdalah, then you're doing Kiddush? L'melech sheyotze v'afarchas nichnas. The mashal is, let's say you have a king who's leaving, and you have a governor who's entering. In this case, Shabbos is leaving, and Yontiv is entering. Yontiv is lower than Shabbos. So what do? Melavin es hamelech v'achar kach yotzim likras afarchas. First you escort the king, and then you go to greet the governor. That's why you're going to do the Ner and Havdalah first, and then you're going to do the Yayin and Kiddush. My have Allah. So the Gemara asks, what's the conclusion about this? Abaya Amar Yak Zina. Abaya says the order is Yayin, Kiddush, Zman, Ner, Havdalah. Again, you do Yayin, then you do Kiddush, then you do Shechayanu, then you do the candle, then you do Havdalah. V'Rava Amar Yak Nahaz. Rava says the order is Yayin, Kiddush, Ner, Havdalah, then Zman. V'Hilchisa Karava, and the halach is like Rava. And again, of course, Abaya and Rava are discussing a case where you are saying Shechayanu. Again, it's a yontiv, let's say, like the first night of Pesach, where Shehechayanu is involved. Rav Huna bar Yehuda ikla levei Rava. Rav Huna, the son of Yehuda, went to the house of Rava. Aisu lekamayu mu'or uvesamim, and they brought in front of him the candle and the besamim for Havdalah. Baruch Rava besamim bereisha v'hader ha'mu'or. So Rava made a bracha first on the besamim, and then he made a bracha on the candle. In other words, besamim went first the way that we normally make Havdalah. Amar lei, so he said to him, V'abein Beis Shammai uvein Beis Hillel, what are you doing? Whether you follow the position of Beis Shammai, whether you follow the position of Beis Hillel, Mu'or Bereisha v'Hadar HaBesamim. First you're supposed to make the bracha on the fire, and then you make the bracha on the Besamim. Umaihi, and what is this? Where do we find this machlokas Beis Shammai and Beis Hillel? The Tanan, as we learned in the Mishnah, Beis Shammai Omer and Beis Shammai say, Ner umazon Besamim v'Havdalah. Let's say you have 1 cup of wine, and so you're having your meal, and then you're going from your meal right into Havdalah. So Beis Shammai say you do the candle, then you do the mazon, the benching, then you do Besamim, then you do Havdalah. Beis Hillel say Ner u'Besamim u'mazon v'Havdalah, that the order is first you do the candle, then you do the Besamim, then you do the Birchas HaMazon, and then you do Havdalah. But in any case, according to both positions, the Ner is coming before the Besamim. So Ani Rava Basrei v'Yamar, so Rava answered after him, and he said as follows: Zu divrei Rabbi Meir, what you're quoting above as the machlokus Beis Shammai and Beis Hillel, that's the position, that's the opinion of Rabbi Meir. Avol Rabbi Yehuda Omer, but Rabbi Yehuda says, Lo nechleku Beis Shammai u Beis Hillel al mazon shu betchila v'al havdalah shi besof. There's no machlokus Beis Shammai and Beis Hillel. They both agree that Birchas HaMazon comes first, it's at the beginning, and Havdalah said at the end. Al ma nechleku al hamu'or v'al besamim. And what do they argue? They argue when it comes to the candle and the besamim. Beis Shammai Omer mu'or v'achar kach besamim. Beis Shammai say first you make the bracha on the flame, and then you make the bracha on the besamim. Beis Hillel Omer and Beis Hillel say besamim v'achar kach mu'or. First you make a bracha on the besamim, and then you make a bracha over the fire. V'yomer Rabbi Yochanan, and Rabbi Yochanan says nohagu ha'am ke Beis Hillel v'aliba de Rabbi Yehuda. The custom of the people is to follow the position of Beis Hillel according to Rabbi Yehuda. So that explains, since according to Rabbi Yehuda's version, Beis Hillel says besamim comes first, and then Ma'or, that explains over here as well why Rava first made a bracha on the besamim, and then he made a bracha on the Ma'or. And the Gemara continues at the 2 dots, Rav Yaakov bar Abba, Iklo levei Rava. Rav Yaakov bar Abba went to the house of Rava. Chazia deborech bori preagofen akosa kama. He saw that he made a bori preagofen on the first cup, meaning early on in the meal. V'hader barech akosa debirchasa v'ishti. And then when it came for the cup of wine that they were using for benching, he made another bracha bori preagofen and he drank it. So Amar Lei, so he said to him, Lamalach kuli hai, what do you need so much for? Habarach lan mar chadazimna, you already made one bracha bori preagofen. Why do you need to make another bori preagofen when it comes to the time for benching? Amar Lei, so he said to him, Ki avinan be reish galusa, hachi avdinan. He said, when we were at the house of the reish galusa, of the head of the exile, this is exactly what we did. I'm just doing what we did in that situation. Amar Lei, so he said to him, Teinach be reish galusa. It makes sense in the house of the reish galusa, the hachi avid, that this is what was done, the safek maisilon, safek lo maisilon, because there was a doubt whether he'd bring more wine or not. In other words, we didn't know, we didn't have in mind for this future cup of wine. Hacha, but over here in our situation, hamonach kasa kamon, the cup is sitting right in front of us. V'daitani love it. We've always had it in mind on this cup, so the first bori preagofen should go on the cup for benching as well. Amar Lei, so he said to him, Mano avdi ki talmidei de Rav. I am following the students of Rav, the Rav Bron of Rav Chananel, talmidei de Rav Havu, because Rav Bron and Rav Chananel were students of Rav. Yosvi besudasa, they were sitting in a meal, and we'll continue with this discussion in the next video on Daf Kuf Gimel Amud Beis.